was incredible. Please, heroic stranger, tell us, who are you?
Who am I? I'm Power Girl!
I said that like 10 times!
Thank you. Yeah, I know I'm awesome.
Listen, cuz, you think changing from yellow to white is gonna fool anyone? This is just Supergirl in disguise.
Actually, I am her, but from an alternate universe. Yeah, it's just like Earth, but totally different. It's called, Earth 2. Yeah, that's it.
Earth 2, huh? Earth 2! Of course! Love it there! Way better than Earth 5, am I right? What a dump!
Yeah, totally.
Yeah! Power Girl pulled it off. I just hope this new identity doesn't go to her head.
So, before the break, you were saying that your powers are totally different than Supergirl's.
That's right, Helen. Supergirl famously had freeze breath. I, however, have frost air. Sort of an Earth 2 thing. Oh, and also, we say supposedly there.
And on Earth 1, Supergirl used to be on a team. What about you, Power Girl? Will you be joining a team?
Helen, teams are overrated. I mean, look at me. Awesome outfit, great name, best non-angry temperament ever. Power Girl's got it all. She doesn't need a team.
Anyone have any kryptonite?